Life is made up of moments, good ones, bad ones, but they're all worth living.
No, I seem to be a magnet for the bad ones.
And all the more reason to look for the good moments in between the bad ones.
You lift my heart up when the rest of me is down. You enchant me even when you're not around. If there are boundaries, I will try to knock them down. I'm latching on, babe. Now I know what I have found. I feel we're close enough. Could I lock in your love?
Be patient.
Now I've got you in my space. I won't let go of you. Got you shackled
Go to the end of the world, huh?
I'm latching on to you. I'm latching.
I saw the power inside of you. It's about time you embraced it.
I'm
This isn't over.
It never is.